Hello again, this is Thiruvignesh of section 3 and my roll number is 21BT10022, and for the assignment 2 of the lab course I have made a keypad security system using Aurdino Uno board and a few electrical components, namely the servo motor, the Neopixel strip, and then the keypad. So the servo motor, the blades of the servo motor can be aligned to any angle between 0 and 180 degrees, which can be used for various purposes. Next we have the Neopixel strip, which basically has 4 LED lights. The white dots you see here are the LED lights, and I thought it would be cooler to use these instead of the regular LEDs. Also, we can set each of these LEDs to different colors as we wish, which is a major advantage. And then we finally have the keypad. Keypad basically has keys on it, numbers from 0 to 9 and alphabets from A to D and 2 special characters. And down here it has 8 pins, 4 for the rows and 4 for the columns. You can see row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Basic idea here is we enter a passcode into this keypad, and if it's right, locker or the door attached to the servo motor opens, otherwise it doesn't. Let's look at the circuit connections now. So we have 5 volts power supply connected to the positive terminal of the breadboard, and ground is connected to the negative terminal, and then we have the positive terminal connected to the other end and negative terminal connected to the other end. Then the servo motor, same, the positive terminal is connected to the power supply here, and the ground is connected to the negative terminal. And then the signal is connected to the 13th pin of the Aurdino board, digital pin. And then we have the ground pin connected to the negative, and positive is connected to the power supply here, and then the input is connected to the 12th pin. Now the 4 rows are given the same colors and are connected to 11, 10 and 9 and 8 pins of this Aurdino board, and then columns are given same colors connected to 6, 5, 4 and 3 pins of the Aurdino board. This is the circuit. Now let's look at the code. This is the code for the circuit, and we have the password right here, which is 0ABC for now, and that can be changed later on. And we have a if statement here. This, what it basically does is it compares the password that we type in and the password that's been set. If they are equal, it prints access granted and rotates the servo motor by 90 degrees and turns the strip to green. And these changes are only for 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, they all go back to their previous configuration. Otherwise, this access is denied and the servo motor doesn't rotate at all, and Neopixel strip turns red. Let's look at the simulation. Let's type in a random password, 80969. Access is denied, it turned green, and the servo motor didn't move at all, and we have to wait 8 seconds before we can type in the next password. Type in the correct password, 0ABC. Access is granted, it turned green, and then the servo motor rotated by 90 degrees. Thank you so much.